And today on this rainy day, we are talking about tax liens. Can I sell my house if I have a tax lien on it? Short answer is yes. Yes, you can. It just has to be paid before closing. So there's nothing that's going to stop you from selling it except that it has to be paid. Now, property taxes are probably relatively easy. You can have a property tax deferral because of your senior citizen status or your veteran status. All of those have to be paid at closing, but that shouldn't be too catastrophic. The things that I've seen really hold up the sale of a house is when you have a crazy amount of income taxes that you haven't paid in years with a bunch of interest. The IRS will not release those, and those can be really, really expensive. So I've seen income tax liens be hundreds of thousands of dollars. And when they're at that level, it actually is like, okay, well, yeah, I can't sell my house because after I pay my bank loan and I pay the taxes off, there's nothing left, or I owe more money and I don't have any more money to spend. So it really just depends on what you're looking at. Short answer is yes, of course you can. It just depends. As always, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next week. Take care.